Data analytics. It seems everyone is talking about it, but what exactly is it? Businesses collect huge amounts of data every day, but data in its raw form is quite meaningless. Data would have to be processed in order to gain meaningful insight from it. Data analytics is the process of analyzing data to answer questions, extract insights, and identify trends. This is done using tools, techniques, and frameworks that differ depending on the type of analysis being conducted. Data analytics entails a number of disciplines such as mathematics, computer programming, and statistics. Types of data analytics. Descriptive analytics. Here, current and historical data are used to examine and describe something that's already happened or is happening. Diagnostic analytics. Here we seek to understand the why behind what happened. In diagnostic analytics, we uncover the reasons for past performance. Predictive analytics relies on historical data or past trends to make predictions about the future. Prescriptive analytics aims to identify specific actions that an individual or organization can take to reach future targets or goals. What does a data analyst do? Although the roles of a data analyst may differ from one organization to another, generally speaking, a data analyst will gather data, organize it, and use it to draw meaningful insights. What skills are required to succeed as a data analyst? Mathematical and statistical skills are essential as you would be working with numbers. You should have good critical and analytical thinking skills. A data analyst should have great attention for detail while having the ability to see the big picture. Knowledge of programming languages such as Python and SQL are also required. A data analyst should also have good communication skills. What tools do data analysts use in their work? A data analyst must be familiar with the use of spreadsheets and have working knowledge of data visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI. As organizations become increasingly aware of the need to make data-driven decisions, the demand for data analysts is expected to grow.